and we are separated from the neighbor by this stream. When we were children, actually, before we got an alternative source of water, we used to actually fetch water from this stream. We'd actually dam it a bit on the side so that you're not getting it directly from the moving water. But all in all, it was so clean. We just used it, and we'd store it maybe in a pot and to be cold. And we had no sicknesses then. Of course, now you can't convince me to drink from the stream, but as we grew, it was really, really clean water. Listen to the sound. Hope you can hear it.